we are in section 58, inside a gated community. And this home behind me, it's on the market for sale. It's a 4-bedroom, master and suite, and then behind it there is also a guest house, which is 1 bedroom and suite as well. They even have a kitchen garden. Water here comes from a Nawasco supply, that is the city county water supply. And of course, you know, there is much more that I want to tell you about the property, so stay tuned. And if you're looking to buy a prime property in the heart of Nakuru CBD, this one should be on top of your list. All right, so without further ado, let's start going. I'm standing on the Cabro paved parking. I parked my car on this car shed right here. There is space for 2, enough space for 2. And actually, I love the fact that there is a tap out here. You can connect a hose and you can always wash your car from this very spot. Like if you want to, you know, there are those who like, you know, washing their car at home. Well, if you're that person, then that is a plus to have. All right, so this is our main gate, and you come through a driveway. Like I told you, there is a main, there is the estate gate, you know, right there with a security guard. And then as you drive in, you come through your main gate right here to the house. Just look at that beautiful bungalow right there. It is not a modern one, you know, like contemporary to today, but it is a very good classic home. All right, there it is. You can look at the roofing right there, and the paint work, you know, the home is still intact. The masonry, I'm looking at it, you know, everything is just really good in this compound. And it is a neat compound out here, by the way, well maintained. I don't know if you play basketball, by the way. You know, they did this, what do you call this? Basketball people. I've forgotten. But where you know, you throw in the ball. I believe, you know, the guys here used to entertain themselves like that. So the owner of this home doesn't live in it. So the home is furnished, even as I'm about to take you inside, but it is sold unfurnished. There are the items inside, but they don't live there. You know, they have a caretaker in the guest house, you know, ambao wako pale nyuma. I'll take you around and you'll get to see. So the home is furnished just to prepare you, but it is sold unfurnished. All right, so out here, I'm also loving how we have got this front garden on that end like that. And also along the perimeter wall, you know, you have got those trees and flowers and even vegetables, you know, just planted. You know, they just mix things around there to bring some greenery in this space. So electric fence all around. There are cameras actually. The owner of the home is abroad. And there's, you know, with those cameras, you know, we are like communicating right now, by the way. I'm sure they are watching my presentation right now. So there's an alarm system as well. So yeah, in terms of security, very, very good. You know, in here, if you bring your family here, I'm totally guaranteeing you that you will be very, very safe. Okay, starting from the main gate pale vile niliwaambia. All right, so come this side. Very well, so I just walked into this front porch, an enclosed front porch for that matter, forming part of the livable space here, you know. So unlike just having a balcony where the elements can beat you up, this one, you know, the way it's enclosed, but it is well lit again. Even chilling here, you have a view of the compound out there. All right, so perhaps it's a space for one to do even their meetings. Like for them, pale kando, I can see those chairs. So probably meaning whenever they have meetings or family gatherings, you know, that's a good space for that. Then I just walked into the lounge. Like I told you guys, the home is furnished. The lounge comes with a 7-seat recliner, but it is sold unfurnished, by the way. So needless to mention this, but at least them being here, you get to see how spacious this room is. Okay, so these are their items up, you know, very nice, well designed. But yeah, utaleta zako, sindio? So your TV, you will mount it on this marble sheet, you know, just as an example, the way that one is done. And there's a fireplace down there, okay, conventional one. So there's a chimney, you know, going up. And the space is typically well lit, you know, look around, you know, all the windows like that. Very well lit space, well done. I'm seeing a mix of you know, a traditional design for the roof. So you have got that wooden ceiling, and then on the you know, edges like that, they're finished with a gypsum. You know, so it has a mix of classic and contemporary design. Even the floor, looking at the, the flooring right here, modern design again, inside a classic home. All right. Hiya. So right here, there is space for your dining area. For them, they have an 8-seat dining table. And typically you can see, there is still much more room left here. If your family is big and you have a 10-seat dining set, well, it will still fit in this space. And brilliant is that they have this cabinetry right here for you guys to put your dining items, plates, etc., mini, all those stuff. You can always put them on that end. And of course, your sink is right there. The dispenser is placed on that corner. Well, once you come in, you can always arrange it to suit your style. But, typically, I believe you are seeing the space. Sindio? Aya, kujeni hivi niwapeleke jikoni. By the way, I love the kitchen. The kitchen is so beautiful. When I saw it first time, I couldn't believe that a home like this could have such a kitchen, So Fred, you can stand somewhere there, then you get a full view of the kitchen like this. It is really beautiful, First things first, you guys, you can notice the island right here at the center, a space ambapo you can do your breakfast or your snacks from, sindio. And then here it has got this inbuilt cooker, there you see it, cooktop. Okay, and then of course you have got the smoke hood hapo juu, vizuri hivo. Then look at the amount of storage you have, all around. The kitchen is really beautiful, honestly. This is amazing. Okay, and then all those kule juu kote, there is more space for you to do your items there. So this home, if you have a big family, I'm telling you, this is the perfect home for you. Okay, if you have a big family, hii ndo nyumba yenu sasa hii. So this side there is a double sink for easier kuosha vyombo pale vizuri, and then for food preparation, obviously you have got a lot. Then there is the space for a double door fridge. Theirs is already there. That's why I told you the fact that this home is furnished gives you perspective and ideas of how you can do yours when you occupy this space. Double door. Then, of course, they have got an inbuilt microwave right here as well. That end, more space, kule juu. It is just beautiful. The kitchen for me sold me. The first time I walked into this house, then I saw the kitchen, I was already sold. Just except I don't have the money to buy it. But you, with 35 million Kenya shillings, bring it on the table and you can take this home, make it yours. So there is even a pantry right here. Okay, you can see some of their water bottles ziko kule ndani. Typically a pantry is for storing some other things kule. And then I just love how you can close it like that to make it, private. Sindio? Very nice. Aya, kuja tuende hivi. Nikushow some other stuff hapa. But that kitchen is goals. Even many modern homes za saizi, they don't do them like that, but that kitchen is just amazing. Very well, let me show you the bedroom, starting with this one here. The home, like I told you, is 4-bedroom, master and suite. So this one, it has got a 5x6 bed, meaning you can also do such a bed or even less, okay? 6x6, from where I'm standing, it will hit the wardrobes. You won't be able to open them. Sindio, but I'll show you the others that have 6x6 capacity, all right? So the wardrobes here, plenty of storage, you guys can see that, all right? And then the room again is well lit. It facing, it has a view of the backyard, and then a subtle design ceiling. Okay, very nice. And yeah, there is space around. One can even do a workstation right there to be working from their bedroom. Then right here at the center, this area here, this hallway, in front of me, we have got a bath and a toilet. These facilities are shared among these 3 bedrooms that are non-ensuite, which leads me to the second bedroom. Here it is. Comes with a 5x6 bed. When I say comes with, doesn't mean you'll take it, by the way. I'm just telling you it is fitted in here. Okay, so you can do a bed this size, or even a 6x6, by the way, because this one has got those side bed drawers for it. So if it doesn't have those, you can easily do a 6x6 bed. Enough wardrobes again. The space is uniform all around. SPC flooring, Gypsum again, really good. This one faces, has got a view of the front yard. Then we have another bedroom on this corner here, and I love how the bedrooms are private, by the way, for that matter. This one again, 5x6 bed will fit in here vizuri. And in terms of the wardrobe, not as much as the two other bedrooms, which actually makes the home quite versatile. So if you have a guest or maybe that guy or lady, it can't be a lady, has to be a guy, who doesn't have as much items, well, this can be their bedrooms, okay? Now let me show you the primary bedroom, which is again private on this end here, the primary bedroom. So yeah, so this one, you can bring your king bed. Already there is one here. So bring your king bed. There is much more space on this end as well. Okay, so like I told you, everything will be taken out, then you will move in with your items. Now, a good thing about the primary bedroom is that the wardrobes are done wall to wall. So you have got his, hers, and perhaps if you're a family, maybe with a small baby, and you share the bedroom, the master bedroom, there is surely enough space for the three of you. Sindio, it's got a view of the front yard again. You can see the parking out there. And on this side, typically in modern day, this should be like a walk-in closet. Sindio. But for them, because of the function that they wanted this space to be, they have got a wash and dryer in this space here. Okay, but once you take ownership, or you assume ownership, you can decide how you will use this space. All right, then on the very end, you have got the ensuite of the primary bedroom. Here it is. So typically the primary bedroom is on one wing, occupies one full wing of the house. It's just the primary bedroom. I'm loving the quality faucets that are here, tankless shower, you know, much fittings and fixtures in here, okay? And some were actually customized for the owner of this home. But once you assume ownership again, you can design things to your style and preference as well. So up to that point, I believe we have covered every space of the main house. Allow me to take you to the backyard. I think we can just pass through the kitchen. Heavy. This kitchen is really beautiful. Folks, I'm telling you, even in modern day, today, there is someone who can build a home, call it contemporary, but they will not have a beautiful kitchen like this one. This kitchen, when I walked in here, it sold me. This is so beautiful, man. So beautiful. All right, so now I'm right here on the backyard. So just to prepare you, like I told you guys, the guest house is occupied by the caretaker who takes care, yeah, makes sense, of the property. So just come this side. There could be some activity they are doing here, but if not, you can go in the house. Yeah, there's a kid there, needless to show them. Okay, so this is the bucket. There's a water tank right there, by the way, for rainwater harvesting. But like I told you, the plot has got is connected with the city county water, by the way. Okay, so maji iko, kuna rainwater harvesting na ni 24/7 maji ya kanjo pia inakuja hapa. Section 58. Section 58, the most sought after estate in Nakuru. Section 58. So this is a prime opportunity for an investor and even for a home owner. You are not getting anything this good in 58. I'm telling you, folks. Okay? So there's the water pump. Okay? Again, another tank right here. There's another one on the front. So yeah, maji huku 24/7. Folks, look at the guava tree here. You know, this will be yours, man. So watoto wako ama family and friends watakuwa wanakuja hapa hivi mnachuna. Kama saizi, imagine they are here, Freddy. Make sure you show this, man. Angalia mapera bwana iko hapa. Hakuna mtu wa kukula. Okay, sijui wanakulanga aje. There are a few. But yeah, there is much more. Then the kitchen garden is right here on this end. There is Koma Wiki right there. There's a popo tree. There are some trees right there. Yeah, that's the end of our property. So the guest suite, or maybe the DSQ, as it's a one bedroom. Ensuite again. So it has a lounge, it has a kitchen, the bedroom, and its own washroom. So in total, combined, this home is 5 bedrooms in total. Okay? Yeah, so up to there, if you have any question, just give me a call on 0791 055 678. I'm much available to bring you for site visit. Okay, just give me a call and we organize a day. Ukuje uangalie, and then from there, we go to the table na mwenyewe, we do the transaction and yep. Any other question, just give me a call or even WhatsApp me. Sawa. But hapa nimependa bana. In the heart of section 58, let me remind you, inside the gated community, very secure, so many schools around section 58. Melvin Jones, Lions Primary is just ahead of us hapa mbele. What else? Shopping center, section 58 shopping center, iko tu hapa mbele. What else? So you'll find supermarkets there, you'll find all sorts of amenities. Across the road, you can go and enjoy recreation at Conste, wapi kule. Like, you are in the center of everything. From here to town is just 10 minutes. 10 minutes to Nakuru CBD. Okay? So that's what's up. When you talk of prime properties, this is that one. This is that one. I've heard folks misuse that word prime. People talking, we have a prime property. Then when you go, unapata bana unaenda sijui ni mashinani wapi. So when you talk of prime, this is prime. Even beyond prime, actually. All right. See you in the next one, folks.